About this item: high-speed charging, designed for a USB-C power delivery port. 20W USB-C power adapter supports fast charging speed through Smart PD 3.0 technology. Charging your iPhone 14 up to 50% in just 30 minutes, 75% faster than standard USB charger. Saving over 1.5 HRS for you. Broad compatibility. Fast charge your iPhone 14, 14 Pro / 14 Pro Max / 14 Plus / 13 / 13 Mini / 13 Pro / 13 Pro Max / 12 / 12 Mini / 12 Pro / 12 Pro Max, iPhone SE, iPhone 11 11 Pro / 11 Pro Max, iPhone XS / XS Max / XR / X, iPad Pro 12.9 / 11 / iPad Air 3 / iPad Mini, 2019, Google Pixel 5 5 XL / 4 / 4 XL / 4A / 4 XL / 3 XL / 3A / 3 XL / 3 / 2 XL / 2 XL, Samsung Galaxy S20 / S10 / S10 Plus / S10e / S9 / S9 Plus / S8 / S8 Plus / Note 10 or other devices that support USB-C power delivery. Safety protection, suitable for the US and the world electrical standards. It has ETL, US, FCC CEROHS certificate. The shell is made of high-quality ABS material, heat resistance and low-temperature resistance, chemical resistance and excellent electrical properties. The charger internal high-quality chips protect your devices from overheating, short-circuiting and overcharging. Compact and lightweight. Extremely compact size and travel-friendly design fits into your pocket or bag easily without occupying too much space and ensures incredible portability wherever you go. Handy for home, office, and vacations. What you get, in